Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier treats. My focus is higher protein, higher fiber, and great healthy fats. Today we're making one of my favorites. It is a baked quinoa pudding. I am a big rice pudding fan. I grew up loving it and I still love it. But I now choose to do something that is a little bit more nutrient dense. So instead of rice, I'm choosing to use quinoa. You can definitely use rice if you like. You go ahead and do that. I have done that and it works really well. But again, I'm choosing the quinoa because of the nutrients, the minerals, the fiber, and the protein. So this recipe is actually inspired by the quinoa pudding recipe that I posted here a little over a month ago. It is a recipe that has taken Pinterest by storm. It is a fan favorite on Pinterest, I have to say, and I didn't expect that because it's just so simple. But it really gives you all of that rice pudding kind of flavor, but again, just healthier for you. And I'm doing a baked version of it because number one, it's great for meal prep, and number two, it's even higher in protein. So I chose to actually include protein powder in this recipe. I do not include protein powder in all of my recipes because I don't think it belongs in all the recipes. So this one, it worked really well. So we're making this quinoa pudding and we're putting it in the oven. We're letting it bake. Makes about 6 to 8 servings, and it's about 16 grams of protein per serving, under 400 calories. So really great for a post-workout, great for breakfast, or just as a snack, and you don't have to feel guilty about it. So why don't we make a baked quinoa pudding? You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to prepare your quinoa. So I cooked some quinoa here. I actually cooked a cup of quinoa, which turns into about 3 cups of quinoa. We will need 2 cups of this for the recipe. We're going to prepare a 9 by 13 ceramic dish. You can also use a glass dish. And we're going to grab a large bowl. We're going to add our milk. I'm using homogenized milk. And we're going to use 3 eggs. Next, we're going to add some maple syrup. This is about 1/3 cup. You could decrease it to 1/4 cup as well. Some vanilla. And of course, we need some cinnamon. And 1 scoop of vegan protein powder. And a little salt to balance everything out. And we're going to give everything a really good whisk. Just ensure that everything is combined. Our final ingredient is the cooked quinoa. We're going to use 2 cups of cooked quinoa. Again, you could replace this with cooked white rice or even cooked brown rice, so whatever you prefer. And we're just going to make sure that everything is mixed through. With quinoa, sometimes it can get clumpy, so you just want to make sure that there are no clumps or lumps in the mixture. You could also add 1/2 cup of raisins or dried currants if that's what you like. I like it simple like this, but again, you can add dried fruit if you wish. And that's it. So now it's just time to add it to the pan. Carefully, just pour all of your ingredients in your baking dish. And just ensure that you scrape out any quinoa that's left over in your bowl. And now it's time to bake. We are going to bake this at 350 for 50 minutes to 1 hour until it is set. And after about 50 minutes, this is your baked quinoa pudding. You can serve this warm Or you can serve this cold, however you wish. I like it both ways, so I couldn't really wait very long, so I just dove in for a piece. This is something that I really love for breakfast, or just as a little snack or treat. Enjoy our high protein baked quinoa pudding. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy treats. If you do try our baked quinoa pudding recipe, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.